你有冇嘗試過想用英文表達早知就啦？呢一句説話咧，通常係表達一啲後悔或者反思，即係話過去應該做一啲嘢，或者過去唔應該做一啲嘢。喺英文裏面，我哋需要用到 perfect modal verbs 情態完成式先至表達到呢種感覺嘅。表達早知就，我哋咧就應該用 should have 加動詞嘅 PP 版，即係過去分詞。例如 been、given、bought。好似頭先咁講，表達後悔或者反思咧，我哋可以用 should have 加動詞嘅 PP 或者 shouldn't have 加動詞嘅 PP。意思就係之前應該或者之前唔應該，甚至一早應該。我應該一早就知佢會亂放隻戒指。I should have known he would misplace the ring。我哋之前應該7點半出門口。We should have left home at 7:30。我哋應該做一啲點梳乎你。We should have ordered the souffle sooner。我哋唔應該搭的士。We shouldn't have taken a taxi。同樣嘅動詞結構咧，亦都可以表達一啲責備同埋批評嘅。你應該早啲話我知。You should have told me sooner。非常抱歉，我之前應該係更加小心嘅。My apologies, I should have been more careful。你之前應該設定幾個鬧鐘。You should have set multiple alarms。我之前唔應該咁大反應。I shouldn't have reacted that way。最後 should have 加動詞嘅 PP 形態咧，亦都可以表達一種期待，即係應該發生咗嘅事，但係佢仲未發生。我哋啲食物應該已經到咗，你可唔可以 check 下個 app？Our food should have arrived by now. Can you check the app？ 佢哋嘅航班應該1個鐘頭前已經着陸。Their flight should have landed an hour ago。你唔喺嗰度真係可惜，超好笑。You should have been there. It was so funny。喺呢一度可以學習下呢一組字嘅簡化嘅讀法嘅，咁長讀咧就會變成 should have known， 簡化啲變成 should have known，should have known， 再口語化啲咧變成 should have known，should have known，should have known。而否定版咧就會係 should not have gone， 簡化啲變成 shouldn't have gone，shouldn't have gone， 再簡化啲咧就會變成 shouldn't have gone，shouldn't have gone，shouldn't have gone。考下大家，早知就買個細啲嘅蛋糕啦。英文可以點表達呢？學到新嘢記住幫手 comment、like 同埋 share。